In this YouTube video, we take a closer look at the 24 feet Roomy Retreat from Sierra Tiny Houses, a California-based company specializing in compact and sustainable living spaces. As we step inside, we're immediately struck by the beautiful interior design, featuring stunning whitewashed shiplap walls that create a bright and airy atmosphere. The bamboo floors add a touch of warmth and complement the overall aesthetic perfectly. But it's the distressed bamboo accent wall that really steals the show, adding texture and character to the space. The 273 square foot tiny house includes an inverted loft with main floor bedroom and living room loft. The kitchen has a beautiful river rock backsplash, aqua-colored textured glass pendant lights over the counter, a butcher block countertop that has dining space for two, and a large farm sink. Appliances include a 2-burner propane cooktop, 7.3 Q.FT, refrigerator, and convection microwave. The Roomy Retreat has a 9,000 BTU mini-split heating and air conditioning system, tankless water heater, and washer, dryer hookups in the stairway closet. One of the standout features of this tiny home is its high level of comfort and convenience. Despite its compact size, the Roomy Retreat comes equipped with a 9,000 BTU mini-split heating and air conditioning system, ensuring that you stay comfortable no matter the season. The tankless water heater ensures a consistent supply of hot water, while the washer, dryer hookups in the stairway closet allow you to do laundry without leaving the comfort of your tiny home. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence or a weekend getaway, the Roomy Retreat offers all the amenities you need to live comfortably and sustainably. The tiny house is currently listed for $59,900.